Welcome to this video. In here, we're going to do a quick recap on binomial distribution and geometric distribution. Basically, compare the differences and similarities between these two. So first, binomial. It requires a fixed number of trials, success or failure, independent, like each trial should be independent to each other, and the probability of success is same for each trial. And geometric only has first condition different, which is go until first success. The others are all the same. And the probability of x equal to r, the formula for binomial distribution is here. NCR times PR times Q to the n minus r. For geometric, it will be Q to the r minus 1 times P. For binomial CDF and binomial PDF, those are the two ways asking to find the binomial distribution. And binomial PDF is usually fine for the exact value. Like, what's the probability of getting that exact value? Probability of CDF is like binomial CDF is asking you to find the probability of at most that value. Like, what's the probability of getting at most that value? And what you're going to label is NPR, like both of them are NPR. For geometric PDF is also getting the probability of exact value. You are only going to label P and R. You don't have to label N, because think about that. Geometric distribution, N is a variable in this case, because we don't know like until what nth term we will make the first success. Therefore, we don't have to include N. Geometric CDF is also the probability of getting at most that R value, which PR label. And labels are important. So whenever you're using your calculator to get the values, you have to label what is N, what is P, and what is R in that specific scenario. And some formulas for expected value for binomial, you should use N times P. For the standard deviation of x, you use the square root of N times P times Q. For geometric, the expected value of x is 1 over P. The distribution, the standard deviation for x is equal to the square root of Q divided by P. Okay, so that's it. That's all for this video. Pretty short, but I just want you to give you a general picture of what does binomial and geometric really include, what should we pay attention to, and those are the formulas and key concepts you will have to remember. Okay, thank you.